you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Aglasim Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 12, that is Heron's formula. So starting with the second exercise, our first question says a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C 90 degree, AB 3 cm, BC 12 cm, CD 5 cm and AD 8 cm. So how much area does it occupy? So the answer is, in a quadrilateral ABCD, we have to join BD. So in triangle BDC, by applying Pythagoras theorem, we will get BD square equals to BC square plus CD square. By applying the BC square and DC square, we will get 169. So BD is equal to 13 centimeter. Moving further to the area of triangle, that is half into base into height, we will get 30 centimeter square as area of triangle. Further, sides of a triangle are A 9 centimeter, B 8 centimeter, C 13 centimeter. So the semi-perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C divided by 2. We all know this. So 8 plus 9 plus 13 divided by 2 will get 15 centimeter. Further, moving to area of triangle, that is root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Applying the values, we will get root 1260, that is 1260. So 35.5 centimeter square approx. So the total area of park we will get as area of triangle BDC plus area of triangle ABD, that is 30 plus 3535 will give you 65.5 centimeter square. Moving further, the total area of park is 65.5 centimeter square. Further, moving to question number 2, which says find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD with AB 3 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter and DA 5 centimeter and AC 5 centimeter. So the answer is, again we have to join the diagonal AC of a quadrilateral ABCD. Since sides of a triangle are A 3 centimeter, B 4 centimeter and C 5 centimeter. So semi-perimeter of triangle, that is S equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2 will give you 6 centimeter. Further, area of triangle is root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C will give you 6 centimeter square. Further, and sides of triangle ACD, again we can have A dash, B dash, C dash. A dash we have 4 centimeter, B dash we have 5 centimeter, C dash we have 5 centimeter. Further, semi-perimeter of triangle, that is S is equal to A dash plus B dash plus C dash divided by 2 will give you 14 divided by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Area of triangle is root S bracket S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Further, applying the values, we will get 9.2 centimeter square approx. So the total area of quadrilateral is area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD will give you 15.2 centimeter square. And hence the area of quadrilateral ABCD is 15.2 centimeter square. Moving further to our third question, which says Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with the colored paper. So we have to find the total area of paper used. So the side of a triangle are A, B and C, which is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So we can find perimeter by applying the formula, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2 will give you 5.5 centimeter. So area of triangle is root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Applying the values, you will get 2.5 centimeter square approx. Similarly, if we get to another section, the sides of a rectangle are L and B, which are given to us, that is 6.5 length and 1 centimeter breadth. So the area of triangle we know L into B, that is length into breadth. So 6.5 into 1 we will get 6.5 centimeter square. Solving further, we have to draw AF parallel to DC and AE perpendicular to BC. So in a quadrilateral ABCF, AF parallel to DC, that is by construction, and AD parallel to FC, that is ABCD is a trapezium. So ABCF is a parallelogram, therefore AF is equal to DC, which is equals to 1, and AD is equal to FC, that is equals to 1. Because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So BF is equal to BC minus FC will give you 1 centimeter. Therefore, ABF is an equilateral triangle. So, area of equilateral triangle is root 3 divided by 4. A square will give you root 3 by 4. But the area of triangle is half into base into height. We know this. But half and into base, that is BF, into height AE will give you 0.9 approx. Further solving, the area of trapezium ABCD is half into base into height, that is half 1 plus 2 into 0.9, which will give you 1.4 centimeter square approx. And section 4 says base we have 1.5, height we have 6. The area of triangle we can find it very easily by applying half into base into height, which will give you 4.5 centimeter square. Further, section 5 says the base is given again, the height is given again, and the area of triangle similarly we have to do. Further, total area of paper used, by adding all the sections we will get 19.4 centimeter square. Moving to our question number 4, which says a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of a triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of a parallelogram. So the answer is sides of a triangle ABE, that is A, B and C is given to us, that is 28 centimeter, 26 centimeter and 30 centimeter. As similarly, semi-perimeter of triangle, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2 is 42. That is, we have added these values and divided by 2. So we will get 42 centimeter. So the area of triangle, that is root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C will give you 336 centimeter square. So the area of parallelogram is equals to area of triangle. That is base into corresponding height will give you 28 into corresponding height equals to 336. So the corresponding height is 12 centimeter. Further, question number 5 says a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of a rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? So we have to join the diagonal AC of a quadrilateral ABCD first. Then the side of a triangle ABC, which is given to us A as 30, B as 30 and C as 48. C as 48. So the semi-perimeter of triangle, that is 30 plus 48 divided by 2 will give you 54 meter. Further, area of triangle, that is root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C will give you 432 centimeter square. And the area of a quadrilateral, that is 2 into 432 will give you 864 meter square. Area of grazed by each cow, that is total area divided by number of cows will give you 864 divided by 18, that is 48 meter square. Moving to our 6th question, which says an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of clothes of 2 different colors of 20 centimeter and 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So the answer is the sides of a triangle are A, B and C given to us, that is 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So we can find semi-perimeter of triangle, that is by adding these and divided by 2, which will give you 60 centimeter. So the area of triangle, that is root 60, 60 minus 20, 60 minus 50, 60 minus 50, that is root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which will give you 200 root 6 centimeter square. So the area of 10 triangular pieces of cloth, that is 10 into 200 root 6 will give you 2000 root 6 centimeter square. Further, the area of cloth of each color is, we have to divide this by 2, will give you 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Moving to our 7th question, which says a kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter each of is to be made of 3 different shades. How much paper of each shade has been used? Similarly, it's like that in triangle ABD. Base is equal to 32, which is given to us. Height is 16 centimeter again given to us. So we can find area of triangle ABD, that is half into base into height. We will get 256 centimeter square. And in triangle CBD, base 32 again, height 16 again, we can find area of triangle CBD, that is 256. So the sides of a triangle CEF are A 6 centimeter, B 6 centimeter and C 8 centimeter. So with this we can find semi-perimeter of triangle, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2, which will give you 10 centimeter. Further, the area of triangle, that is root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C will give you 8 root 5 centimeter square, and hence the area of paper used in shade 3 is 8 root 5 centimeter, and the area of paper used in shade 2 is 256 centimeter square, and the area of paper used in shade 1 is 256 centimeter square. Moving to our question number 8, which says a floral design on the floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of a triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. So we have to find the cost of the polishing the tile at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. So the answer is the side of a triangle which is given to us, that is A, B and C, that is 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. With this we can find semi-perimeter of triangle, that is by adding it and divided by 2, which will give you 36 cm. So the area of triangle root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, applying the values we will get 88.2 centimeter square approx. So area of each triangular tile is 88.2 centimeter square, and the area of each triangular 16 tile is, we have to multiply it by 16, which will give you 1411.2 centimeter square. So the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square is 705.60 paisa. So this is all from this exercise, guys. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Aglasem Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.